Hello, Sergey. This is Scott. This is a German CNC controller software, the interface for the customer, for the user, not for service. Right now we're set up the tools. This is a picture of the tools. Same thing right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is position number 1, 2, 3, up to 20. Green is a new tool, never used. Yellow is a tool in the middle of the life. Red is a tool that's finished, expired. This is distance 300 linear yards, and the CNC controller is measuring distance 260, I'm sorry, not yards, meters, 260 meters with the tool life. This is what type of tool. We give the tool a name. Maybe 2mm ball, we have a name. 1mm ball, microscopic tool, different number. So we have a sister tool or repeat tools. This one goes to red. The machine changed to this type. They're both tool number 4. If I want to replace a tool or add a tool, we reset right here. I want to add, let's say, tool number 18, which is really tiny tool. We just say type of tool. Oh shit, I forgot. Oh yeah, 18. Oh, let's see. One second, I get a key. Complete the setup. Start. So we have run programs, setup tool, complete the setup tool, delete a message, maybe air pressure too low or something, user programs. These are just go to a position to clean the machine. Just for cleaning over here and change a collet, retract the Z. This is just move Z up. I think so. I've never tried it actually. Oh, maybe the Z is all the way up. Spindle warm up the machine. This is change machine from